Good day everyone, and today we are tasked to discuss two limits, two given example about limits. Then first, let's start with the limit of x all over square root of 1 plus 3x minus 1, wherein x is equal to 0. Then if you will encounter having the radical sign, you should find its conjugate. So having the square root of 1 plus 3x minus 1, so the conjugate of that is square root of 1 plus 3x plus 1. Then you should multiply its conjugate to its numerator and denominator. So after you multiply numerator and denominator to its conjugate, from its denominator result, you should cancel square root of 1 plus 3x plus 1 and square root of 1 plus 3x minus 1. Then you obtain x times square root of 1 plus 3x plus 1 all over 1 plus 3x minus 1 after you cancelled, then you obtain 1 plus 3x minus 1. Then after that, you should minus 1, since you should combine 1 and negative 1, then the result is 0, then you obtain 3x of the denominator. So after that, you should cancel x from the numerator, then x from the 3x, so you obtain 3 from the denominator. So square root of 1 plus 3x plus 1 all over 3. Then after that, since we know that our x is equal to 0, then you should replace 0 from its x. So, and square root of 1 plus 3 times 0 plus 1 all over 3, then you obtain square root of 1 plus 1 all over 3. Then we also know that square root of 1 is 1. So 1 plus 1 all over 3, then you obtain 2/3 from the limit of x all over square root of 1 plus 3x minus 1, which is x is 0. And now let's proceed to our second problem, which is limit of x minus square root of 3x minus 2 all over x squared minus 4, wherein x is 2. So since our radical sign is found on the numerator, so that's the thing that we're going to have the conjugate. So the conjugate of x minus square root of 3x minus 2 is x plus square root of 3x minus 2. So after multiplying the numerator and denominator with its conjugate, so we obtain x squared minus 3x plus 2 all over x squared minus 4 times x plus square root of 3x minus 2. So after that thing, we will going to have the factor of x squared minus 3x plus 2, which is x minus 2 times x minus 1. Then in this case, we will also factor x squared minus 4, that will give us x minus 2 times x plus 2, then times x plus square root of 3x minus 2. Then from the given, we also obtain x minus 1 all over 2 plus 2 times 2 plus square root of 3 times 2 minus 2. So the 2 there is the value of x from the square root that we have. Then also we obtain x minus 1 all over 4 times 2 plus square root of 6 minus 2, since 3 times 2 is 6. Then from that problem, we obtain 1, then all over 4 times 2 plus 2. Then 4 times 4 is 16, that's why we have 1 over 16 from the given limit of x minus square root of 3x minus 2 all over x squared minus 4, wherein x is 2. Thank you.